Atlassian Bamboo Online Training. Introduction to Apache Mahout. Atlassian Bamboo is a continuous integration and delivery (CI/CD) tool that helps automate the build, test, and release processes of software applications. Here's an introduction to its key features and capabilities. Build automation. Bamboo allows you to automate the compilation, testing, and packaging of your code. It supports a wide range of programming languages and build tools. Integration and deployment. It facilitates continuous integration and delivery pipelines, enabling teams to integrate code changes frequently and deploy applications automatically. Environment management. Bamboo provides environments for staging and production, allowing you to manage and configure deployment environments easily. Workflow automation. You can create complex workflows that automate tasks such as running tests, deploying to servers, and notifying teams about build status. Code insights. Bamboo integrates with version control systems like Git, Mercurial, and SVN, providing insights into code quality and performance metrics. Extensibility. It supports plugins and extensions through the Atlassian Marketplace, allowing customization and integration with other tools in your development ecosystem. Visibility and reporting. Bamboo offers dashboards and reports to monitor build and deployment status, track trends, and identify bottlenecks in the development process. Security and permissions. It provides role-based access control, RBAC, to manage permissions at various levels, ensuring secure access to sensitive environments and configurations. Continuous integration and continuous deployment with Atlassian Bamboo. Atlassian Bamboo is a popular tool for continuous integration, CI, and continuous deployment, CD. It helps automate the build, test, and release processes of software applications. Here are some key features and aspects you might find useful. Build automation. Bamboo automates the build process, allowing you to compile source code, run tests, and create deployable artifacts. Integration with version control systems. Bamboo integrates well with Git, Mercurial, and other version control systems, enabling it to trigger builds automatically when code changes are committed. Build pipelines. Bamboo supports defining complex build pipelines, where multiple jobs can be chained together to achieve tasks like building, testing, and deploying in a sequence. Deployment projects. It facilitates the automation of deployment processes across different environments, ensuring consistency and reliability in releasing software. Plugins and extensions. Bamboo offers a range of plugins to extend its functionality, allowing integration with various tools and services used in development and operations. Monitoring and notifications. It provides visibility into build and deployment statuses through dashboards and notifications, helping teams monitor progress and respond to issues promptly. Scalability and flexibility. Bamboo can scale to accommodate growing teams and complex projects, supporting both cloud-based and on-premises deployments. Key features of Atlassian Bamboo. Atlassian Bamboo is a continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) tool designed to automate the build, test, and release processes for software applications. Some key features of Atlassian Bamboo include build automation. Bamboo automates the build process, compiling source code, running tests, and producing deployable artifacts. Integration with version control. It integrates seamlessly with Git, Mercurial, Subversion, and other version control systems to trigger builds based on code commits. Customizable build pipelines. Bamboo allows you to create flexible workflows or pipelines that define the build, test, and deployment stages of your application. Parallel builds. It supports parallel builds, enabling faster feedback cycles by running multiple build jobs concurrently. Artifact management. Bamboo manages build artifacts and dependencies, ensuring consistent and traceable builds across environments. Deployment automation. It facilitates automated deployment to various environments, including development, staging, and production, ensuring deployments are consistent and reliable. Environment management. Bamboo manages different build and deployment environments, allowing you to define and configure environments as part of your deployment pipeline. Integration with Atlassian products. Seamless integration with other Atlassian tools such as Jira, Bitbucket, and Confluence for enhanced project management, issue tracking, and collaboration. Extensibility. Bamboo supports plugins and integrations with third-party tools and services through its rich ecosystem of add-ons. Visibility and reporting. Provides real-time visibility into build and deployment statuses through dashboards and reports, helping teams monitor progress and identify issues quickly. Security and access control. Offers robust security features, including role-based access control, RBAC, to manage user permissions and ensure secure access to build and deployment processes. Integrating Atlassian Bamboo with Jira and Bitbucket. Integrating Atlassian Bamboo with Jira and Bitbucket allows for seamless automation and continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD, pipelines. Here's how you can do it. Integrating with Jira. Bamboo can link with Jira issues, allowing you to track builds and deployments against specific tasks or issues. In Bamboo, go to Bamboo Administration, Linked Applications, and add your Jira instance. Configure your build plans to reference Jira issues, enabling traceability between code changes and tasks. Integrating with Bitbucket. Bamboo and Bitbucket have native integration, facilitating smooth CI/CD workflows. When setting up a build plan in Bamboo, you can specify a Bitbucket repository as the source. Bamboo can automatically trigger builds based on code commits or pull requests in Bitbucket. Setting up CI/CD pipelines. Create build plans in Bamboo that specify which Bitbucket repository to build from and how to deploy artifacts. Configure triggers in Bamboo to automatically start builds when changes are pushed to the linked Bitbucket repository or when specific events occur in Jira. Use Bamboo's deployment projects to manage the deployment of artifacts to different environments. Monitoring and notifications. Bamboo can provide real-time feedback on build statuses, integrating with Jira for issue tracking and Bitbucket for code changes. Configure notifications to alert stakeholders of build successes, failures, or deployment statuses. Security and permissions. Ensure appropriate permissions are set in Bamboo, Jira, and Bitbucket to control who can trigger builds, deploy code, and access build logs. Security features in Atlassian Bamboo. Atlassian Bamboo provides several security features to ensure the safety and integrity of your CI/CD pipelines and environment. Here are some key security features. Role-based access control. RBAC Bamboo allows you to set granular permissions based on roles, controlling who can view, edit, or execute builds and deployments. Secure credentials management. Bamboo provides a secure vault for storing sensitive information such as passwords, API keys, and other credentials. These can be encrypted and managed centrally. Audit logs. Detailed audit logs capture actions taken within Bamboo, providing visibility into who accessed or modified configurations and builds. IP whitelisting and network restrictions. You can restrict access to Bamboo by configuring IP whitelists and network restrictions to ensure that only authorized users and systems can access the Bamboo server and agents. Encryption. Bamboo supports encryption of data in transit and at rest, ensuring that sensitive information is protected both within the Bamboo environment and during transmission. Plugin security. Bamboo's marketplace plugins are vetted for security, and the platform supports sandboxing and secure communication between plugins and the Bamboo server. Integration with LDAP AD. Bamboo can integrate with LDAP, including Active Directory, for user authentication and synchronization, ensuring that access control aligns with existing organizational policies. Automated build and deployment processes in Atlassian Bamboo. Automated build and deployment processes in Atlassian Bamboo involve setting up pipelines that automate the steps from code commit to deployment. Here's a typical workflow. Create a plan. Define a plan in Bamboo for your project. This plan will encompass all the stages and tasks needed for build and deployment. Source code checkout. Bamboo will automatically pull the latest source code from your version control system, example Git, SVN. Build. Configure tasks to compile code, run tests, and generate artifacts. Bamboo supports a variety of build tools and environments. Artifact management. Store build artifacts, like binaries, packages, in Bamboo or external repositories. Deployment. Define deployment environments and configure tasks to deploy artifacts. This might involve deploying to development, staging, and production environments, each with its own configuration. Testing. Include automated tests as part of your deployment process to ensure stability and quality. Notifications and reporting. Bamboo provides notifications for build and deployment status via email, chat integrations, or other channels. You can also generate reports to monitor performance and trends. Integration. Bamboo integrates with other tools in your DevOps toolchain, such as Jira, Bitbucket, and Docker, facilitating seamless workflows. Monitoring and logs. Monitor build and deployment progress through Bamboo's dashboard and review detailed logs for troubleshooting. Scaling and optimization. Bamboo allows you to scale your build and deployment processes by distributing tasks across agents, optimizing performance. Collaboration and efficiency in Atlassian Bamboo. Atlassian Bamboo is designed to enhance collaboration and efficiency in continuous integration and deployment processes. Here are some key aspects that contribute to this. Integration with Atlassian tools. Bamboo integrates seamlessly with other Atlassian tools like Jira and Bitbucket. This integration allows for better visibility, traceability, and collaboration across teams working on software projects. Build pipelines. Bamboo uses build pipelines to automate the build, test, and deployment processes. This automation reduces manual effort, minimizes errors, and accelerates the delivery of software updates. Artifact sharing. Bamboo facilitates artifact sharing across builds and deployments. This ensures consistency and reliability in deploying applications, as the same artifacts can be used throughout different stages of the pipeline. Customizable workflows. Bamboo allows teams to define customizable workflows tailored to their specific needs. This flexibility enables teams to implement best practices and optimize processes for maximum efficiency. Parallel and concurrent builds. Bamboo supports parallel and concurrent builds, enabling multiple tasks to run simultaneously. This capability reduces build times and improves overall productivity by allowing teams to work on multiple features or fixes concurrently. Reporting and insights. Bamboo provides comprehensive reporting and insights into build results, test outcomes, and deployment status. This visibility helps teams identify bottlenecks, track progress, and make data-driven decisions to improve efficiency. Role-based access control. Bamboo offers role-based access control, RBAC, to manage permissions and ensure that only authorized users have access to sensitive build and deployment processes. This enhances security and compliance within the development environment. Notifications and alerts. Bamboo can send notifications and alerts via email, chat tools like Slack, or other communication channels. This keeps team members informed about build status, test failures, or deployment issues in real time, facilitating prompt resolution of issues. Deployment strategies in Atlassian Bamboo. In Atlassian Bamboo, deployment strategies are crucial for ensuring smooth and reliable delivery of applications. Here are some common deployment strategies you can implement using Bamboo. Rolling deployment. This strategy involves deploying updates in small increments across different parts of your infrastructure while keeping the application available. Bamboo can manage this by running tasks sequentially or in parallel to update different parts of the application. Blue-green deployment. With blue-green deployments, you maintain two identical production environments, one active, live, and one idle, inactive. Bamboo can switch traffic between these environments seamlessly, allowing you to deploy updates to the idle environment, verify them, and then switch traffic to it. Canary deployment. This strategy involves deploying updates to a small subset of users or servers first to test them in a real-world environment before rolling them out to the entire infrastructure. Bamboo can manage this by using deployment gates or conditional steps based on feedback or monitoring metrics. Feature toggle deployment. Bamboo supports deploying features that are hidden behind feature toggles or flags. This allows you to deploy updates to production but keep them hidden until they are fully tested and ready to be enabled. Immutable infrastructure deployment. Bamboo can facilitate deployments where every deployment creates a new version of infrastructure components, like VMs or containers, rather than updating existing ones. This ensures consistency and allows for easy rollback if needed. Rollback strategy. Bamboo provides mechanisms to quickly roll back deployments in case of issues or failures. This could involve reverting to a previous version, switching traffic back to the previous environment, or using blue-green deployment strategies effectively. Monitoring and reporting in Atlassian Bamboo. In Atlassian Bamboo, monitoring and reporting are crucial for understanding the health and performance of your CI/CD pipelines. Here are some key aspects. Monitoring. Builds and deployments. Bamboo provides real-time visibility into ongoing builds and deployments. You can monitor build durations, success rates, and resource utilization. Agents. Monitor agent status and workload to ensure efficient resource allocation. Logs and console output. Access detailed logs and console outputs of builds to troubleshoot issues quickly. Reporting. Build reports. Bamboo generates detailed reports on build history, including trends over time, success failure rates, and build times. Custom dashboards. Create custom dashboards to visualize key metrics and trends that matter most to your team. Notifications. Set up alerts and notifications based on build status changes or specific thresholds. Integration. Bamboo integrates with other tools like Jira and Bitbucket, enabling traceability from code changes to builds and deployments. This integration enhances reporting capabilities by linking development activities with build outcomes. Performance tuning. Use performance metrics from monitoring to optimize build configurations and agent usage, ensuring faster and more reliable builds. Security and compliance. Bamboo offers features to enforce security policies and compliance standards through build monitoring and access controls. Scaling Atlassian Bamboo for enterprise use. Scaling Atlassian Bamboo for enterprise use involves several key considerations to ensure performance, reliability, and efficient management of CI/CD pipelines. Here are some steps and considerations. Infrastructure planning. Server requirements. Determine the optimal hardware specifications, CPU, RAM, disk, based on the number of builds, concurrent users, and agents. Database. Use a robust database backend, example PostgreSQL, MySQL, and optimize its configuration for performance. High availability. Implement Bamboo in a clustered setup for high availability to ensure uninterrupted service in case of failures. Use load balancers to distribute traffic across Bamboo nodes. Scalability. Agent scaling. Configure elastic agents to dynamically provision resources based on workload demands. Horizontal scaling. Add more Bamboo servers to distribute the load and increase capacity. Performance tuning. JVM tuning. Adjust JVM memory settings, JVM_minimum_memory, JVM_maximum_memory, based on usage patterns and available resources. Bamboo server configuration. Tune Bamboo's bamboo.cfg.xml settings such as thread pools, caching, and timeouts to optimize performance. Monitoring and maintenance. Use monitoring tools, example Prometheus, Grafana, to track Bamboo's performance metrics such as CPU utilization, memory usage, build queue lengths, etc. Regularly perform maintenance tasks like database cleanup, index optimization, and bamboo server upgrades to ensure stability and security. Security. Implement best practices for securing bamboo instances, including network security, authentication mechanisms, example LDAP, SAML, and access controls. Integration with other tools. Integrate Bamboo with other Atlassian tools like Jira and Bitbucket for seamless workflow management and version control integration. Backup and disaster recovery. Set up regular backups of Bamboo data and configurations. Have a disaster recovery plan in place to quickly restore service in case of data loss or system failures. Setting up pipelines in Atlassian Bamboo. Best practices. Setting up pipelines in Atlassian Bamboo involves a few key best practices to ensure smooth operation and effective integration into your development workflow. Modularize builds. Break down your build process into smaller, manageable tasks or stages within Bamboo. This modular approach helps in debugging, scaling, and reusing parts of your pipeline. Version control integration. Integrate Bamboo with your version control system like Git or SVN to trigger builds automatically upon code commits. This ensures that every change goes through your defined pipeline. Environment variables and secrets. Use Bamboo's built-in support for environment variables and secret management to securely store sensitive information like API keys or credentials needed during the build process. Artifact management. Define and manage artifacts. Build outputs generated during your pipeline stages. Bamboo allows you to publish and share artifacts between stages or even across builds, which aids in deployment and testing. Notifications and reporting. Configure notifications, email, Slack, etc. to keep the team informed about build statuses, failures, or other important events. Bamboo provides customizable reporting options to track build history and performance metrics. Parallelism and concurrency. Optimize pipeline performance by leveraging Bamboo's support for parallel builds and concurrency. Distribute tasks across multiple agents to speed up build times and maximize resource utilization. Automated testing and quality checks. Integrate automated testing frameworks like JUnit, Selenium, and quality checks, static code analysis, code coverage into your pipeline. This ensures that code changes meet quality standards before deployment. Pipeline as code. Consider defining your Bamboo pipelines as code using Bamboo specs, Bamboo's YAML-based configuration. This approach allows you to version control your pipeline definitions alongside your application code, promoting consistency and reproducibility. Feedback loops and iteration. Continuously monitor and optimize your pipeline performance based on feedback from developers and stakeholders. Regularly review build logs, metrics, and user feedback to identify areas for improvement. Documentation and training. Document your pipeline configurations, including dependencies, triggers, and stages. Provide training to team members on best practices for using Bamboo effectively, ensuring consistency across projects. Case studies. Atlassian Bamboo in real-world projects. Certainly, Atlassian Bamboo is widely used for continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) in various real-world projects. Here are a few case studies that highlight its usage. NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory JPL. JPL used Atlassian Bamboo extensively in its Mars rover project. Bamboo helped automate the testing and deployment processes crucial for the rover's software updates. It ensured that every code change was thoroughly tested and integrated into the rover's systems before deployment. Airbnb. Airbnb employs Bamboo for managing its complex CI/CD pipelines across multiple development teams. Bamboo's ability to integrate seamlessly with other Atlassian products like Jira and Bitbucket allows Airbnb to maintain a robust and efficient development life cycle. Electronic Arts (EA). EA uses Bamboo to streamline the deployment of updates and patches for its popular video games. Bamboo ensures that new game features and fixes are quickly tested and deployed across different platforms, helping EA maintain high-quality gaming experiences for its users. Optiver. Optiver, a global trading firm, utilizes Bamboo to automate the testing and deployment of its trading algorithms. Bamboo's flexibility in handling complex workflows and its scalability support are critical for ensuring that trading strategies are deployed swiftly and reliably. Tesla. Tesla relies on Bamboo to automate the integration and deployment processes for its vehicle software updates. Bamboo's capabilities in managing multiple build environments and facilitating rapid feedback loops help Tesla maintain the safety and functionality of its vehicles through software enhancements. Why choose ProExcellency for Atlassian Bamboo online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Atlassian Bamboo online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency likely offers training conducted by experts with deep knowledge and practical experience in Atlassian Bamboo. This ensures you receive high-quality instruction that goes beyond just theoretical concepts. Customized training programs. They may offer tailored training programs that cater to different skill levels and organizational needs. This flexibility allows you to choose courses that match your specific requirements, whether you're a beginner or looking to deepen your expertise. Hands-on learning. Their training programs may emphasize practical, hands-on learning experiences. This approach helps participants not only understand the concepts but also gain proficiency by working on real-world scenarios and projects. Certification preparation. If you're aiming for Atlassian Bamboo certifications, ProExcellency's training might include preparation for these exams. This can boost your confidence and readiness to pass certification exams. Flexibility of online learning. Online training with ProExcellency offers flexibility in terms of scheduling and location. You can access training sessions from anywhere with an internet connection, making it convenient for busy professionals or teams spread across different locations. Post-training support. They may provide post-training support such as access to resources, community forums, or even additional consultation services. This ensures that your learning continues beyond the training sessions. Thank you.